In fact, Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot ducked the question today when he was asked about his earlier comments on Sachin Pilot, where he called the former Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan as Nikamma Nikara. Let's take a listen.
7 साल के अंदर एकमात्र राजस्थान हिंदुस्तान का राज्य होगा जब प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी के अध्यक्ष को बदलने की मांग नहीं करी, ना सी निर्णय ना जो निर्णय। एक छोटी खबर नहीं पड़ी हुई किसी ने कि पायलट साहब को हटाना चाहिए प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी अध्यक्ष से। हम जानते थे कि निकम्मा है, नाकारा है, कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है, खाली लोगों को लड़वा रहा है। मेरे साथ हो कि नहीं हो, मैं यहाँ बैंगन नहीं आया हूँ।
आप मानते निकम्मे हैं? आज भी हो, आपने कहा था निकम्मा है, आपने शब्द इस्तेमाल किया था। अब वापस आएंगे तो काम कैसे करेंगे साथ में?
और
Cutting across to Dev Ankur joining us live for more. Dev, we are looking at a truce between Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot. Both of them are, in fact, Pilot is going to land in Jaipur at 4 p.m. today. Looks like all's well, but a little internal rift within Gehlot's camp, where Pratap Singh has come forward slamming Sachin Pilot and camp and he also really raising concern that Sachin gets such a free and fair entry back into the party while he created such a ruckus over the last month. Is all well, or are we looking at things a little disturbed, distorted even as yet?
Well, you know, Pratap Singh Khacharyavas will not be too tough to manage for Ashok Gehlot. He's a seasoned, wily politician. Gehlot can easily manage the likes of Pratap Singh Khacharyavas, who is raising this voice currently. He was earlier with the Sachin Pilot camp and later on shifted loyalties to the Gehlot camp and now is raising voice perhaps to be heard once again. But clearly Gehlot, the crafty politician that he is, he knows the, you know, the ins and outs of electoral politics. He has been a seasoned politician, a 3-time Chief Minister of Rajasthan. And it seems that Gehlot has prevailed in this entire fight because he knew that, you know, even if he managed to scrape through the session of the assembly with the numbers, with the wafer-thin majority that he had, in future there could have been a grave risk because, you know, if a few MLAs would have swayed to the other side, then his government would be in a serious state of jeopardy. And that is what he did not want. He had softened his stance towards Pilot. He had, you know, in recent times, in the last week or so, mentioned that if the rebel MLAs meet the party high command and if the party high command forgives them, then he's willing to accept them with open arms. So clearly, Nabila, there is this softening of stance from Pilot as well as from Gehlot, because Gehlot knows the kind of the dynamics of the electoral politics that are required, because all of this boils down to the numbers game, and to be in a safe and secure position and to have a stable government lasting for full 5 years. Gehlot wanted few more numbers, and that is what seems to have happened in this entire tussle that prevailed for almost a month's time.
Dave, do stay with us. We're going to quickly cut across to Pratap Singh, who spoke, expressing his grouse and his disappointment over Pilot getting a complete free hand after all that chaos.
विधायकों के मन में जहां तक है, नो डाउट ये रिएक्शन है बहुत जबरदस्त। तो वो रिएक्शन इस बात का कि 1 महीने रहे तो कांग्रेस के विधायकों में बड़ा गुस्सा है। मैं सचिन पायलट जी के बहुत करीब रहा हूं, मेरे मन में उतना गुस्सा नहीं, लेकिन मैंने लोगों के मन में गुस्सा देखा। वो गुस्सा इस बात का कि 19 लोग इस तरह से रिवोल्ट करके गए, वो पार्टी के विधायकों को, पार्टी को, कार्यकर्ता को और प्रदेश की जनता को पसंद नहीं आ रहा। इसमें कोई दौराई नहीं, लेकिन धीरे धीरे स्थितियां सब ठीक हो जाएगी, इतनी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.